Introduce highlight features and overview summary of wet-dry vacuum cleaner, AlfaBot T30 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. All-in-one wet-dry vacuum cleaner. Vacuum, mopping and washing at the same time, leaving floors instantly dry and streak-free. Small particle garbage as well as liquid and wet garbage can be picked up quickly, such as dust, debris, hair, yogurt, coffee, baby food, etc. Adding solution to the wet-dry vacuum cleaner. You can control how much formula you want with the water spray button. AlfaBot T30 Cordless Vacuum and Mop equipped with 3000 mAh lithium battery, extends runtime up to 25 minutes with intelligently optimized suction. Cordless, lightweight and easy to use. Note, the battery pack is detachable, allowing you to recharge easily and replace the battery when the battery life is exhausted. Our AlfaBot T30 floor washer equipped with soft microfiber roller brush, you can apply it for multi-surface, such as hardwood floor, tile floor, marble floor, and area rugs, tiles, etc. Also, the roller brush cannot give scratches to the floors. It can pick up pet hair easily, remove the kitchen messy and sticky spills quickly, then remove your housework trouble at the same time. This T30 Smart Floor and Carpet Cleaner has the function of self-cleaning with a single button. It is not necessary to manually clean the roller brush, keep your hands free. Two-tank system keeps cleaning solution and dirty water separate to ensure that you are always cleaning with a fresh mix of water and formula. Clean water tank capacity is 680 ml, dirty water tank capacity is 450 ml. T30 Cordless Vacuum and Mop Floor Cleaner provides voice assistance which tells you the status of the wet-dry floor washer in daily cleaning and let you know when to empty the dirty water tank. Add water and recharge as it needs, remind you to turn on the self-cleaning function after charging on the station. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.